Hey y'all, have you ever been just a little bit dissatisfied at the font choices that you have inside your Google projects? And this is true for docs, sheets, slides, pretty much everywhere you go in those common Google apps. Well, be sure that you explore this right here. If you click on more fonts, you're going to get this database of fonts that you can add to your list. So scroll through these, and when you find one that you like, all you have to do is click on it. When it turns blue, it's been added, click OK, and now this is in your list of fonts. So that's just a quick way to get more fonts into your Google projects. If you happen to be a bit of a font snob, that's okay with me because I am too. Find the fonts that work for you. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. Subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified when new videos are released each week.